2026 marks a milestone for Marcor. 40 years of delivering performance, quality, and innovation to the automotive aftermarket. For 4 decades, we've partnered with the world's top manufacturers, connecting shops and enthusiasts across Canada with the parts they trust. Now, to celebrate our 40th anniversary, we're shining a spotlight on the brands that have helped define Marcor and performance legacy we've built together. Join us as we explore the stories, innovations, and products that have made these partnerships legendary.
Welcome back to Marcor. I'm Jared Heshka with HMG, here today representing MBRP Performance Exhaust. So MBRP Performance Exhaust has been in the aftermarket exhaust space for many, many years, a little over 30 to be exact. Started off in the performance exhaust market for snowmobiles, creating something called the B&B Eliminator. This is a lightweight performance exhaust for all snowmobile enthusiasts, giving a great sound and a ton of performance gains. Today, they've branched into diesel, gas truck, late model muscle car, and sports car. Diesel was something that MBRP is extremely well known for, and then we really kind of expanded our offering into that sports car space. Today, we're with Marcor talking about some of the high performance systems on muscle car, specifically the C8 Corvette. For something that's precision engineered and develops a great sound on the dyno, an active exhaust where you can select your sound, MBRP is going to deliver that sound perfectly for you. Let's talk a little bit about material grade. So MBRP has Armor Pro, Armor Plus, Armor Light, and Armor Black. And let's talk about the sound. We offer race, street, and active. Here sitting on the table, I have an active C8 exhaust. So you're gonna be able to control the sound levels between a street and a race tone with the push of a button that's already built into your factory interface. Exhaust is the only option or upgrade that you can actually do to your vehicle that is both a performance upgrade and an aesthetic. MBRP covers that both very well. MBRP is actually made right here in Huntsville, Ontario, and proud to be a Canadian-made performance exhaust. Marcor Automotive stocks one of the largest supplies of MBRP exhaust in Canada and should be your trusted source for MBRP.